I just woke up. I still feel tired. I still feel like I need more sleep. Like I didn't get my full 7 hours of sleep. And today it's going to be a long day because I have lots of things to do. But it's going to be fun today. So today is Saturday. I'm going to be meeting with a friend of mine. Haven't met in a while. So we're gonna have lunch together, then we're gonna get a coffee together. And tomorrow I'm going to be visiting my parents' house. We're gonna spend the day in there. We're gonna have lunch together, we're gonna do a barbecue, and yeah, it's going to be fun. So I'm just gonna hop in the shower. I really need to wake up. Then I'm gonna just clean the house and then we meet with my friend. Seriously guys, let's just start the day. Use the peeling solution from The Ordinary before I shave my face. Just like make it smoother and I don't get any pimples afterwards. This is it. This is the shirt. Now we wait for 10 minutes. I look insane. took like these tiniest scissors, the same scissors from the moving out video, these. And I started like cutting my hair, so to get a little bit shorter because my hair got really long. And I haven't actually like gone to a hairdresser for like 4 months probably. I've been like cutting my hair by myself the whole time. So yeah, it's about time. Long hair do not match me. Like my head would look really huge and I don't have the smallest head, so that doesn't add up. So I need to really cut my hair and get like a shorter haircut. And like my friends have been encouraging me like to dye my hair, and I'm not against it at all. So I've been thinking to like dye my hair, and if I like the color I can just keep it like for a short while, and if I don't like it I can just am I being dramatic? Is it really actually good? Tell me this. Tell me.